Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with JPMorgan Chase, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with JPMorgan Chase, visit their official website or download the Chase mobile app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Set up two-factor authentication for added security. Once your account is created, log into the platform. Navigate to the investment section of the website or app. Review the range of investment options available, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making a decision. If you're unsure, explore the educational resources available on the platform. Select an investment account type that suits your needs, such as an individual brokerage account or an IRA. Deposit funds into your investment account. Make sure to understand any minimum deposit requirements. Once your account is funded, browse through the investment products offered. Use the research tools to evaluate potential investments. Look at past performance, market trends, and analyst recommendations. Decide on the specific investments you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to invest in each selected product. Review your order carefully before confirming the transaction. Once your investments are finalized, monitor their performance through your account dashboard. Revisit your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your changing financial goals. Utilize JPMorgan Chase's customer support if you have any questions or need assistance. Remember, investing is a long-term strategy, so stay informed and be patient with your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.